Hello again, learners. I'm here to discuss with you how to solve the square with a three-digit number in easy way. So as you can see in our slide, we have two sets of given example. So I'm going to discuss with you further with regards to that in easy way. This lesson that we have is our main concern in this video. So hope you enjoy it. Come and see, watch further. Okay, here we now. In three-digit pattern, so we have to identify this formula. So that formula is represented by X, Y, and Z. X there stands for the 100-digit number. The Y there stands for the tens digit number or the 10-digit number. The Z there is represented by the unit-digit number. So here's now the formula. For example, as I posted on our title, which is 342 square, or in other words, the square of 342. Okay. In this case, we're represented by 3 for X, 4 for Y, and 2 for Z. In other words, the 3 there is our hundreds place value number, the 4 there is the tens digit value number, and the 2 there is the units place value number. Then we're going to multiply by itself, taking as the factor. So the first thing that we should do is to square the hundreds digit place. So we're going to have that. So we have square of the first, so we have 9, or in other words, square of 3. So meaning to say we have 3 times 3, and that is 9. Okay, the next part is in the middle part. That's the easy step for us to do and how to deal with this. So the first one is we're going to square the Y for the tens place. So 4 square of 4, which is 4 times 4, and that is 16, and followed by multiply the 2, the 3, and the 4. So we have 12. So that would be wrong. Okay, erratum. So if we have here 3 times 2, and that is 6, and after that square, okay, 2xz, so meaning to say square is twice of x and z, twice of the hundreds and the units. So we have 3 times 2 here, we have here, which is 6, and followed by, since we have the product of 6, so as you notice here, we have here 6. Twice of 6 is we have 12, and that would be, and after that we're taking the sum of the 12 and 16, so we have 28 as their sum. Then followed by, we are going to make the next step of this is we're going to manipulate the units place. So the square of 2 is 4. The square of 2 we have 4, and that is 2 times 2 is 4. And then we have twice of x and y, so twice of this x and y. So we have 3 times 4, which is 12, and that is then twice. So meaning to say whatever the product of the x and the y is multiplied all the time by 2. So we have 12 times 2 is 24. Then followed by 2yz, meaning to say this one, the 4 and the 2 will be multiplied by each other, taking as the factor. So 4 times 2, and we have here 8. Then twice of 8 is 16. So we have now a certain values of the certain box. Okay, I will not put the results inside the box for you to have to compute further about this, because what will be inside in the box, that would be our main answer. Okay, what we'll do is to get the 4 step. So we have here, bring down the 4, then followed by, since our result just a while ago is 16, so bring down 6, carry 1. So since in the middle part of the box, or the tens hundreds place, we have 28 as answer previously. It would be added by 1, and that is we have 29. So the result is 29. Bring down 9, carry 2 on the next box, which is the thousands place. So in other words, we're going to start from left to right as we write all of the answers that we have. So we have 2 and added to 24. Where is the 24 coming from? Is from the previous answer that we have. So we have 26 as the sum. Bring down 6, carry 2. So the 9 there, as you notice, is the previous answer that we have. So we have 2 plus 9, and we have 11. So further, we have now the given values of the certain box. So as you notice, in the 10,000s place, we have 11. So meaning to say, if we're going to arrange further about the answer, so we have now 11,694 as the square of 342. Okay, hope you understand further about the situation or about the given problem. So if you have some doubts, so let's proceed to another set of examples, and that is example number 2, the square of 768. Again, the square of 768. So the hundreds place is 7, which is represented by x. The next one is 6, which is the tens place, and the units place or the ones place valued number, which is 8. So the first thing that we should do is in the box is we have a square of the hundreds place, which is 7. So we have 49. Then after, we have to use the middle term, so square of the middle or the tens place, which is 6 squared, we have 36. And then the other term, which is 2xz, so meaning to say twice of the hundreds and the units place valued number. So we have 7 times 8 again, 7 times 8, which is 56. Then since we have 2, we are going to get the product of the result here, which is 56, twice of it. So 56 times 2 is 112, and then the 112, the product of this is 112. That would be added to 36, and we come up with the result as 148. Then in the units place, we have 8 squared, so we have 64. Then followed by the thousand, so meaning to say 2xy, twice of the hundreds and the tens place value. So we have 7 times 6 is 42. Then twice of 42, which is 84. Then we have also twice of y and z, meaning to say twice of the tens and tens place value and the units place values, which is 6 and 8. So 6 times 8, which is 48. The product of it, the twice of the product of 48 is 96. So we have now in the first part is 49, 84, 148, 96, and 64. What we will do here to get the further inside the boxes that we have, so we have in the units place we have 64, so bring down 4, carry 6. Then the tens place we have 96 as we have previous answer added to 6, and that is 6 plus 6 is 12, carry 2, bring down 2, carry 1, so we have 102. So 2, bring down 2, carry 10. Then we have previously again 148 as the result just a while ago. It would be added to 10. The 10 there is the carry over from the 102 in the tens place value. So we have 8 as their sum. That would be inside the box now, because 10 plus 148 is 158. Bring down 8, carry 15. Then we have 84. 15 plus 84, we have 99. So bring down 9, carry 9. So we have 9 plus 49 and we have 58. So the answer that we come up with now on the square of 768 is 589,824. Again, the answer now is 589,824. That would be our given problem number 2. Okay, for further exercise based from the given pattern, I want you to recap your learning. So, learners, be ready. So let's recap what we have learned. Okay, I have here 5 given questions or situation or problem that would be in a time limit that composed of 20-second question for the 5 question. Okay, I know that you are not a quizzer for this. I just only give time frame for you to be able to have a mental work for your learning in this square of a 3-digit number. But just to ignore if you don't want to pressure yourself, or just as long as you have with you your ball pen and pen and for your answer. Then if you have a correct answer or a perfect score, don't try to write on a comment box, provided that you must be able to know the community guidelines in giving some comments inside in our given video, so that as we go through with the next video, there's no deletion of your comment, and you will be acknowledged for the next video. Again, hope you enjoy this one. Again, then do not ignore the problem, just to ignore the time frame, the time stress here for you to be able to understand. I just only compile everything, merge everything. Just pause the video if you don't want to have the time pressure, as long as you already understood the situation of this kind of problem. Okay, without any ado, let's proceed to the given question number 1. Okay, the question number 1 is find the square of 312. Again, find the square of 312. Timer start now. Just focus yourself about this. No, just come to answer everything that we have in that slide. Just feel free to answer. Anyway, time is up. Okay, I hope that your answer is correct, same as mine here in our slide. So the answer is 97,344. Again, 97,344. Okay, are we up? Alright, let's proceed to the example number 2. The given example number 2 is get the square of 243. Again, get the square of 243. Timer starts now. Just go on this there's no problem. This video, just continue, just try your best. Anyway, there's no harm in trying. When you have some success in life, all you have to do, the failure is all just a part of the success. So let's get it on. Question number 4. Hurry up. Question number 4 is find the square of 415. Again, find the square of 415. Timer starts now. Okay, time is up. Alright, let's get it on in putting our answer here, and the answer would be on the square of 415 is 172,225. Again, 172,225. Okay. Whew. There's only one set of questions of this kind of video over the lesson that we have. Don't be worried. Just push yourself in doing such. Okay, let's proceed to example number 5 or exercise number 5 further rather. What is the square of the 867? What is the square of 867? Timer starts now. I feel happy in this making a video because I know that you're interested in doing such. Okay, time is up. All right, let's proceed. Let's get it on in posting, not pushing, but posting your answer. Okay, the answer is 751,689. 751,689. I hope and I know further that there is a temptation there inside with you. Just do it in a manual way, not using your calculator. I know that it is only a matter of a second in getting the answer in calculator, but I hope that your mind works not to the calculator, not to the artificial mind, but rather the human mind. Okay, I hope that you have perfect score, or not even perfect score. If you have understood further or even get the perfect score out of this video or the exercise, feel free to have some comment or just suggest for another set of discussion for the future video lesson that I have to share with you guys. I know that there's some cooperation with you. And don't forget to share, like, and have some follow just to acknowledge, or I mean just encourage your friends and family to follow and like this page or this channel, and that is Humble Math Easy channel. Okay, now don't forget, once again, don't forget to like, share, and have some comment. Follow my video lesson, or follow my page, follow my video Humble Math Easy channel. And again, I want you to suggest further suggest in a comment box, right in the comment box for the next lesson, so that I will go further. I have to enlighten or to spread my knowledge about this, because I don't even know what you have doubts there in your mind. Just share. For sharing it and for suggesting it, just leave a comment in a comment icon box. Okay, this is my Facebook